Hey guys, right, quick look at the soft tool bag for the Tstak system for DeWalt. It's 12,000 D Cordura as well as the soft toe, another waterproof base. Has a tool pocket in it on one end, compatible with Tstak, and it's max load capacity of 30 kilos. Those are the dimensions of it. Shouldn't need it. Um, Take a look on the inside. It's a large open pocket. Uh, yeah, plastic base at the bottom. Uh, Cordless pocket here for your little impact. There's a few little pockets on the inside. That's on both sides. It's got a large leather handle. That's so it'll be comfortable to carry. It does come with a shoulder strap. There it is there. So comfortable shoulder strap. It's got a large pocket. Oh, there's the Tstak catalogue again. Comes with little pockets on this side here, and then there's a large zip pocket. Large zip pocket can fit loads more small pockets in, so loads more little tools. And on the other side, it's got a larger pocket for a laptop bag, a laptop or iPad. So yeah, and then it's smaller pockets on either side. Hard to see. Smaller pockets on either side. And then it's got a plastic base with the clips for the holes for the Tstak. So yeah, thanks for watching.